Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be covering how you can make amazing portraits on your phone for free using Ibis Paint X. And remember, if you enjoy the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. After creating your canvas, you will need to create an initial sketch using a small and light colored brush. Also, if you have a reference image, be sure to use it as a guide as much as possible. This will help with creating the correct sizes and proportions. Once you have created your sketch, you can then begin to add a base color to your portrait using a larger brush size. And remember to work non-destructively using multiple layers when drawing. We can now start using a darker shade of our skin tone to draw in our shadows and create depth. Try to keep in mind where your light source is and how it might affect your subject. Now it's time to add details. Using a smaller brush and a light pressure, we can begin to add finer details such as eyelashes and eyebrows. Take your time to gradually build up your layers using a combination of brushes and tones to create depth. And to complete our illustration, we can add texture and highlights using various organic brushes and colors. This will help to add realism to our artwork and make it more visually interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.